What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. If you're new to the channel, hi there. So I've got the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. I think this is my fourth Flip device here on the channel, and the Flip 3 was the first one I got. It changed a lot of things for the course of this channel and in a positive way. And I'm here with the fourth Flip, Flip 6, or at least fourth Flip for me. But I got the Silver Shadow right here, and not only that, I've got more devices. I've got the Galaxy Z Fold 6 in navy. It's going to be a separate video. Definitely be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. I got the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, and I also got the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. Those are going to be separate videos. I'm also going to just open up the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro here with the Flip 6, but the other two are going to be separate videos. So let's go ahead and dive right in. And I'm going to have lots of content on all of these devices on the channel. So I'm going to have reviews, comparisons, all that good stuff. I'm going to compare it to the Galaxy Z 5, which I have right here, Z Flip 5 that I have right here. I actually really like the Flip 5, but the Flip 6 comes with some really good improvements. And ooh, there we go. We are greeted with the Flip 6. Let's put this aside real quick. So let's just kind of want to like pop it out just like that. The Flip 6 in Silver Shadow. And I got this color because of the poll that I put up. You guys voted, majority voted for the Silver Shadow, and here it is. Oh, wow. This really feels like the S24 series. Like it feels like flatter sides, a brushed matte feel on the sides as well. Yeah, this is definitely S24 vibes. But I'm going to put this aside real quick. Everything else, it's not up in this side of the box. It's right here. And we're just going to get the same paperwork pretty much. So let's see what we got. We got right here, USB-C to C, a SIM ejector tool. Just, you know, the same stuff. I'm going to put those right back in because at this point I have so many SIM ejector tools. I don't know what to do with all of them, but nonetheless, let's kind of put that in there, put that aside. Let's check out the Flip 6. So, ooh. Now this doesn't have the anti-reflective coating like the S24 Ultra, so that's kind of a bummer. Let's also pull this right here. There we go. Let's put that aside real quick. And let's fold it for the first time. Oh yeah, this is clean. Oh, and this hinge right here feels so much, I don't know, it feels a little bit better. Just take a look at that. Yeah, you can kind of see the difference in the hinge right there. Look at that. So this is Flip 5 and Flip 6 side by side. Oh yeah, this Flip 6 looks so much more refined, much flatter on the sides too, as you can see right there. Again, I'm going to have a full comparison, but ooh, this is it's my first reaction. I'm adoring this feel on this right here. I'm going to go ahead and put this aside. Let's quickly check out the Buds 3 Pro, and I think there's been some recall issues with this, so we're going to see how they sound and everything. But so far, I mean, Samsung, they shipped, obviously you can see right here, they shipped out the Buds 3 Pro, to me at least. Let's see what we got in here on this side. Actually, let's pop it open right here. Just USB-C to C cable again, and some paperwork that I probably will not be using. And we have right here the Buds 3 Pro. I got these in silver, and these look clean. Look at that. And you can see it's a see-through with the top right here. Pop it open. There you go. Blue, I think, means left, and the orange means for right. It has an LED right here, which is cool. And yeah, I think that's what it means. The orange is for the right, and blue is for the left. But yeah, a lot of people say this is really reminiscent of AirPods, and yeah, I don't know. I actually, when you look at it in person, it's not that it's not like 100% AirPods Pro mock. Like, it's not the same, if you know what I mean. But yeah, these look really fire. I'm gonna have to try these out. Let's put this aside. Let's boot up the Z Flip 6. We're getting some good upgrades right here. 4,000 milliamp hour battery. I wonder why it's not turning on. 4,000 milliamp hour battery. We're getting, I believe, 12 gigs of RAM, a vapor chamber for cooling, which is a first for the Flip series, and I think it's larger than the one found on the S23 Ultra, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, obviously, and all that good stuff. But yeah, this is finally up there with flagship level. So I'm gonna go ahead, start this, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we are back with just the initial process, and this is looking so clean. I gotta say, just the camera rings right here, it makes it, come on, like I already know how to use this. There we go. I don't like how it's kind of getting me to go through this, so I'm just gonna open the screen, but I love the camera rings right here, how they are colored, and they're colored according to the color of the phone, which is great. Again, this feels so much reminiscent of the S24 series, 24 and 24 Ultra. Main differences here with the Z Flip 5, just a quick rundown with specs. We're getting Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. We're getting a 2600 nit peak brightness versus 1750 on the Flip 5. There is a vapor chamber here, I think in the top portion right here of the Flip 6 versus Flip 5 not having one at all. And it has a 50 megapixel main. So the cameras are pretty much the same cameras found on the Galaxy S24. We will be testing those out. 4,000 milliamp hour battery up from 3,700. 12 gigs of RAM up from 8 gigs and 14.9 millimeters when folded. So it's just a little bit thinner than the Z Flip 5. But the one thing that I noticed, and that's a question with foldables nowadays, and it was in the past, obviously, but the question that a lot of people may ask is, what about the crease? And here's what I gotta tell you. I'm running my finger through the screen right now, and just in comparison with the Flip 5, it is heavily reduced. I don't know if you can see from an angle I'm trying to show on camera, but like you can see, actually, let's do this. See if you can kind of see it at an angle. Not really, but the thing is, like, you can see the crease on the Flip 5, but on the Flip 6 you can barely see it, and there's more of like an indent with the Flip 5's crease. Like your finger literally like runs in, it like slopes down in the screen and then goes back up, whereas this one is like almost completely flat. So I guess Samsung did a lot of work to really reduce the crease, and we're going to try it and see how it is with the Fold 6, although that's my first Fold from Samsung. But I gotta say, I really do love the upgrades that we're getting with Flip 5 to Flip 6. And just to answer the question later on, you're gonna have to see the comparison with the Flip 5 and the Flip 6 if it's worth the upgrade. But I gotta say, I really like how this looks. I think Samsung did a great job with the color, but they went for a more premium feel, I think. Now there is a price increase of $100, so it's now $10.99 starting versus $9.99. You can find links in the description down below. But yeah, I'm just super excited. Like I get really excited when all these new devices come out. But yeah, definitely be sure to stay tuned to the channel. Lots of content is coming. It's going to be a pretty content-filled next couple of months with Pixel series coming out, iPhone in September and all that good stuff, Pixel in August, and also Buds 3 Pro. I really do like it. And look at that, there says Connect. But we're gonna try that for later. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, definitely be sure to Superman the subscribe button. I'm so, like I can't even say subscribe. Superman that subscribe button, comment down below, and best of all, share this video because it really does help out the channel a lot and will help push my content out to more people. That's been it for me, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.